Most people rely on only one source of income, a single job, a single paycheck, a single stream. And while that may feel safe, it is also risky. Because if that one income stops, everything stops. Hi, this is Mops, and today I want to share a simple idea that can change your financial future, building multiple income streams. Now, this doesn't mean you need to do everything at once. In fact, the smartest way to start is with just one extra stream. It could be a small business, a side skill, selling something online, or even learning something that can earn you money later. The goal is simple. Don't depend on only one source. At first, the extra income may be small, but over time it grows. And something powerful happens. You gain control. You are no longer depending on one paycheck. You start creating options. You start building security. Many successful people didn't start with multiple incomes. They started with one, and then built another, step by step. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Start simple. But start building. Because the more income streams you have, the stronger your financial future becomes. This is Mops, and I'll see you in the next step of your journey.